If your PC is slow, you've come to the right video, because I'm about to turn your PC into a NASA machine by changing 10 crucial settings and no downloads. First up, you need to press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard. Then on the side, put it to full screen, click Startup Apps and disable all of the apps that you don't want to use. For instance, I don't want Epic Games Launcher, so if it's enabled, you click on it like this and then press Disable in the top right. This makes your PC boot much faster. So what you want to do is look up Edit Power Plan. So click on it. And what you want to do is press Power Options. And then if you don't see this, you have to click Show Additional Plans, click the arrow, and then select High Performance. This makes your CPU run at full speed instead of holding it back to save energy. Next, close the tab. So next up, what you want to do is go into Settings, put it to full screen, look up Performance, and then you can see here there's let Windows choose what's best for my computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance, press adjust for best performance, press apply in the bottom right, wait for that to load. It won't look as good, but it will massively speed up your PC. So then press OK. After that, next, go into Settings, put it to full screen, look up Storage Sense, turn on Storage Sense. There should be a pop-up saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Press yes, and as you can see here, it automatically frees up space, deleting temporary files that you will never use and manage locally available cloud content. So this should be turned on. Next up, still on Settings, press Personalization, press Colors, and then turn off Transparency Effects. This reduces GPU load so Windows and menus respond faster. Next up, look up Game Mode, press Game Mode Settings. This should be on, press on. This prioritizes your CPU and GPU for the apps you're actually using. Now, finally, restart your PC. Press it. I'm not going to do it for the video, but this applies all the changes and locks in all the speed improvements. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe for more tips and check out my video while you're here. Also, NVIDIA or AMD, vote in the comments.